Hello everyone, welcome back to another math class. This is Nafasi speaking. Here is another word problem. A truck carrying a wide load need to pass through the parabolic tunnel. Here is a parabolic tunnel. The tunnel height is 8. That means x value 0, y equals to 8. The unit are meter, and there is another truck here. The truck height is 5 meter and width is 4 meter. Question is find the quadratic function. So quadratic function, at point A it is called vertex. What is the model of vertex? It is V bracket A is K. A is for x value, K for y value, right? So at point 8 x value is 0 and y value is 8. For this vertex, what is the equation? What is the quadratic equation? I explained in my previous videos. For a better understanding, you need to watch all of my previous videos in this chapter in order. Go to playlist and select the specific topic. This is the exact equation for this information. So a x minus h value is 0 and k value is 8. As I said, it is ax square plus 8. We need the value of a to solve this equation. At point minus 3 or 3, you can use minus 3 or 3. Both of them, result will be same. So when x equals to 3, y equals to 0. At x is y equals to 0, or y at y axis x equals to 0. I'm using this information to find out the a. Put this value in this equation. So y value 0, x value 3. What is the value of a? 3 3 is 9. It is minus 8 by 9. Put this value in the equation. Minus 8 by 9 x square plus 8. This is the answer of question A. And here is another question. Determine whether the truck will fit. That means will the truck pass through the tunnel or not. Truck height 5 meter and width 4 meter. The tunnel total height is 8 meter, you see, but 8 meter in the 8 meter side, the width is not 4 meter. So we need the 5 meter height above the 4 meter width, right? Otherwise truck can't pass through the tunnel. So from the middle side, I take the total 4 meter wide, 2 meter left, 2 meter right, total 4 meter wide, and proportionally, what is the height above this width, 4 meter wide? There is a vertical line for height. So we need to find out the height. Let's see what will happen. So when x equals to 2, y equals to, put this value in the equation. Y equals minus 8 by 9, 2 square, that is 4, 8, it is 4. I am using the calculator, 4.44 meter. Look, the height is 4.44 meter, but what is the truck height? The truck height is 5 meter. Is it possible to pass through the tunnel? I think not. So truck height is 5 meter. The tunnel height above the 4 meter width. Remember, above the 4 meter height is 4.44 meter. So truck will not fit.